Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening and handling your Surface Pro 9. Start by powering off your device and disconnecting it from any power source. Place your Surface Pro 9 on a clean, flat surface. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located along the edges of the device. There are a total of 6 screws that need to be taken out, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the device. Slowly work your way around the edges until the cover pops off. This step requires patience, rushing could lead to unnecessary damage. Now that the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components, including the battery and cooling system. If you notice any dust buildup, it's essential to clean it out. Use a can of compressed air to blow away the dust from the fans and other components. This will help improve the airflow and cooling efficiency of your device. If you feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess your device and provide you with a clear understanding of any issues it may have. Next, inspect the battery connections. If they appear loose or dirty, you may want to gently clean them with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. After cleaning, ensure that the connections are secure before reassembling. After you've completed the internal cleaning and checks, it's time to reassemble your Surface Pro 9. Align the back cover carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws using your Torx T5 screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not over-tightened. If you face any difficulties during this process, or if you're unsure about any steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our service includes no calls and no travel, making it hassle-free for you. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your Surface Pro 9 and check to see if it's functioning properly. If you experience any issues, remember that you can get a quote before any repairs are initiated, ensuring transparency and no unexpected costs. Following these steps will help maintain your Surface Pro 9 effectively, prolonging its lifespan and improving its performance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your device in top shape and ready for any tasks you throw at it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.